Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to easily get travel insurance online using Travel Insured, a trusted provider for many travelers. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning a one-time trip, it's important to understand how to protect yourself and your journey. Travel Insured offers different plans that cover trip cancellations, medical emergencies, baggage loss, and more. First, let's take a quick look at the homepage. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making the process stress-free for users. Simply enter your trip details, including destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers to get started. From there, you'll receive a list of customized plans to choose from, each tailored to your trip's specific needs. One of the major advantages of Travel Insured is its clear and transparent pricing. You can compare different options side by side, checking what's included in each package, like medical coverage or baggage protection. The website also provides useful explanations for terms like trip cancellation or medical evacuation, which are helpful if you're not familiar with insurance jargon. Now let's talk about costs. Travel Insured plans are competitively priced and offer great value for the coverage they provide. Whether you're looking for basic trip protection or more comprehensive coverage, you can find something within your budget. Also, their customer service is known to be reliable should you have any questions while purchasing. Here's an important tip. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to get travel insurance, I personally recommend trying Active Traveling. It's an excellent service, especially for those who want quick and reliable protection. You can check it out through the link in the description below. By following these steps, you'll have your travel insurance sorted in no time and be prepared for any unexpected situations on your journey. Don't forget to check the terms and conditions of your chosen plan so you know exactly what you're covered for. So, if you're planning a trip soon and want peace of mind, now is the perfect time to get insured. Click on the link in the description to explore more options and find the best plan for you. That's all for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and protect your next trip today.